新任的教宗良14世，伫梵蒂冈第一届来接见到各国的媒体，伊来强调讲，新闻自由是每一个人做出着自由选择的基础。伊嘛呼吁爱来释放着所有因为报道真相互掠去关的记者。
大家拍破环境，天主教新任教宗良14世头一摆接见媒体记者，这个开场就用笑话来讲实在话。
They say when they clap at the beginning, it doesn't matter much. If you're still awake at the end and you still want to applaud, thank you very much.
落尾教宗强调，新闻自由是普世价值，那教会头尾拢会甲因为公开真相受到迫害的记者徛伫咧同一国。
Let me therefore reiterate today the Church's solidarity with journalists who are imprisoned for seeking and reporting the truth, while also asking for their release.
教宗嘛呼吁各界共同捍卫言论和新闻自由，因为干有充分的资讯，人民才当真正做出自由的选择。
The suffering of these imprisoned journalists challenges the conscience of nations and the international community.
演说结束，教宗行落台，和现场的记者随握手小接吻，展现亲民。CNN 驻梵蒂冈记者克里斯多福嘛和教宗讲这话。
I joked with him that I was now a White Sox fan. Of course, the White Sox is the baseball team that he supports from his hometown in Chicago.
教宗听了，文啊笑，佮讲到拍棒球的兴趣，讲到短期内无登去美国的计划，毋过对芝加哥教堂的人有变济，感觉真欢喜。
He also said that he was still learning about being Pope, and he also didn't want to take selfies. So Pope Leo already showing his own style.
和真任教宗帮这国的风格无共款，良14世却甲点到谨慎未参加，毋过伊对新闻自由的坚持，和对媒体价值的重视，互外界看到这位来自美国的新教宗所带来的新气象。
Hello， 我是张新文。想要抢先掌握最及时的新闻资讯吗？赶快订阅、按赞、开启小铃铛，锁定华视新闻 YouTube 频道。